Hey everyone, placed an order on Skullcandy but need to cancel it? No worries, in this video I'll show you step by step on how you can cancel your Skullcandy order. First, let us check Skullcandy's order cancellation policy. Orders can usually be cancelled within a short window after purchase. Once an order has been processed or shipped, cancellation may no longer be possible. Head over to Skullcandy's official website and log into your account. If you check out as a guest, find your order confirmation at your email. It may have a link to manage your order, and once logged in, go to order history and find the order you want to cancel. Click on it and see the order details. If your order is still eligible for cancellation, you should see a cancel order button. Click it and follow the instructions. If you don't see this option, the order may have already been processed or shipped. If you can't cancel online, reach out to Skullcandy's customer support as soon as possible. They may be able to help if the order hasn't been processed yet. And that's it. Canceling a Skullcandy order is easy if you act fast. If this video helped you out, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more quick guides. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.